my name is Justin. Many people have their favorite book and I have my favorite book too. My favorite book is a collection of poems titled Sky, Wind, Stars and Poems, written by poet Yoon Dong-ju during the Japanese colonial era. I have two reasons why my favorite book is this book. First, this book awakened my sensitivity. Originally, I am very sensitive. However, reading this book enriched my sensitivity. When I read the poem named Four Words, I just cried for a long time. And when I read that name Starry Night, my pride is full. Second, each word in this book has a beautiful meaning. When I first read this book, I didn't even know that the author was Yoon Dong-ju, so I didn't even know what this collection of poems meant. When I found out that the author of collection of poems was the Yoon Dong-ju, and when I read this book, I was completely different from the first time I saw it. Like I understand better, and all of the words seem beautiful. I think all of my friends need to read this book. In conclusion, my favorite book is Sky, Wind, Star and Poem. Because first, this book awakened my sensitivity. Second, each word in this book has a beautiful meaning. This is all of my opinion. Thank you for listening my opinion.